Hello, in this video, we will instruct you to create Mexc account with step-by-step guide for beginners. First, you click on the link in the description box to get exclusive offers from Mexc. Remember to click on the link in the description box to claim up to 8,000 US dollars from Mexc when you create a new account. Then you can use an email address or a mobile phone number to create an account here. For example, I use an email address. Enter the email address into this section. Next, you enter a password that meets these requirements with 10 to 128 characters. At least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number. For example, this is the password that I want to create. Then you click on sign up here. Next, you decode the captcha. Then Mexc will send a verification code to the email address you enter. Launching the email, check the code, copy the code, then paste it to this session. Then you have just created an account at Mexc successfully. Launching your account here. Then now I will instruct you to secure your account. Click on security here. Then at mobile verification session, you click on setup. Next, you enter your mobile phone number. Then you click on get code. Mexc will send a verification code to your mobile phone number. Decode a captcha here. Check your phone to get the code. Next, you click on get code at email verification code here. Mexc will send a verification code to the email you used to create account. Check the inbox here, then copy the code, paste it into the session. Then you click confirm. Then you have just completed mobile verification. Mexc send a notification inform that mobile verification set up successfully here. Click close. Next, we instruct you to set up Google Authenticator code. Click on Setup at Google Authenticator code here. Then you need to search for Google Authenticator in the App Store or Google Play, then download it. After downloading it, you click Next. Then you will see a QR code here. Click Next. Next, you click Get Code here. Mexc will send a code to your mobile phone number. Check your phone and enter the code into the session. You use your phone to download Google Authenticator app. Then click Open. Click on this icon, select Scan a QR code. Then you scan this code. Next, enter the authenticator code. Then you click Submit. Then you have a just verify Google Authenticator code successfully. Now I will instruct you to verify identity. First, you need to download Mexc application. Search for Mexc on App Store or Google Play Store. Then download this application. After downloading the app, you click Open here and launching your Mexc account. At this interface, you click on Profile icon. Then click on Verify. You click on Verify button here. Then you need to verify identity documents and your face here. Click on Start Verification. Then you choose the issuing country of identity document. I select Vietnam. Next, you select one of 3 ID types here, including ID card, passport, or driver license. I select ID card. Click Next. Then you need to read the ID requirements carefully here. After reading the requirements, you scroll down. Then you need to upload a photo of the front and back of your ID. Click on Upload a photo of the front of your ID. Then you can take pictures or select photos from album. I select Take Pictures. Allow Mexc to access your camera. Take a photo of the front of ID card here. Select Use Photo. Take similar steps with the back of your ID card. Select Take Pictures. Select Use Photo. Next, you click Proceed. Then you choose the place that you are living. I select all countries except USA. Click Continue. Then you need to take a selfie to verify your face. Click Continue here. Then you wait for Mexc to review your identity. After the identity verification is successfully, you will see the verified notification here. Alright, we have just given you step-by-step guide to create an Mexc account, secure the created account as well as verify identity. You can subscribe our channel to get new videos notification. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.